proactive, yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke, how you doing or whatever. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing. So let's get into the video. So weekly check-in, right? So groceries, I went to the commissary, spent $88.03 and $97 because we do the change to savings. And so a total of $89 came out of groceries. And then mom and dad. Some of y'all might be like, who is this mom and dad? So my mom and my dad gave me $180. $80 was a gift, and then $100 they gave me towards the phone bill that I have on my budget as phone bill US. They gave me $100 towards that, but I just left the budget as is and then moved the $100 into my next budget. So you guys will see that on my September 15th budget, the update. So they gave me $100. So I bought some stuff for YouTube, on with Amazon, and that's what this is, some YouTube stuff. I needed some extra supplies, and so that was $30.47. 53 goes towards saving, made that a total of 31. Then weekly spending, I bought snacks for $1. Nothing goes to savings. That's $1 total. Then mom and dad as well. I say they gave me $180. Plum paper, they bought me my plum paper binder, y'all. I'm so excited. But they bought me 2 plum paper binders. They bought me a daily planner, an A5 daily planner, and they bought me a notebook, just a regular notebook. But I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. And that was $80, and that was the gift that they gave me. Everything came up to $80.75. So from weekly spending, I took $1, and so that was 75 cents to pay the difference of the plum paper total, and then 25 cents will be going towards saving. Mom and dad, between this one and this one, that is the $100 combined. So I bought some other stuff on Amazon. This was like workout gears and stuff, y'all. Like, I literally do not have workout clothes. So I bought some workout clothes and some other stuff, and that came up to $68.27. And I put 73 cents in saving, and that's 69. So between this 31 and this 69, that was the entire $100 spent. And then lastly, I bought some fuel yesterday because your girl does not go below half a tank. And so that is gas, and that was $23 total. So I'm going to calculate up everything, come back to y'all, and let y'all know what's up. Okay, y'all, so I've calculated everything, and so let me just explain, do the overview, explain. So for the amount I've spent this week is $291.52. I did a total savings of $2.48, and then I spent a total combined for amounts in saving of $294. Let me zoom y'all in. I should zoom y'all in before, but yikes. Okay, so here we go. Of $294. Then moving down to the bottom of our sheet, I have a bank deposit of $122.49, a credit card payment of $151, and a credit card balance. Oh, saving deposit. Guys, I messed that up. Lord. Okay, I have a saving deposit of $151. I have a credit card payment of $122.49, and I have a bank deposit of $124. Messed that all up, guys. And then today's balance as of 12 September, which is when I will be recording this, is $202.49. So let me explain, right? So last week I made this $89 deposit with last week's fund because that already posted. I still hadn't gone to the bank, so I just added that in. So that is what my note down here says. Groceries, $89 deposited last week for groceries. And then I don't count these in green when I calculate because they are cash purchases or money that's already spent. So this $80 on plum paper is already deposited to pay off this credit card. So right now my balance is $202.49. But if you subtract that $80, it is the $122.49 that would be left on my credit card, which is the Amazon purchase, the rest of the Amazon purchase, gas, and this plum paper 75 cents. So that is how I came up to my bank deposit only being $124, credit card payment being $122.49, and saving deposit being $151. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. But yeah, guys, that is my weekly check-in. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. On here, I do my budgeting, weekly check-in, I do my life, my plans, goals for my money, and everything in the future. So if my budgeting helps your budgeting, then, you know, I hope you like budgeting. But yeah, don't forget to share this with a family, friend, and a foe. And again, my name is Aneke, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.